Taking a look at today's energy markets, let's check in on natural gas futures as they're selling off today. Natural gas futures trading lower today, down almost 5% on the session at the 3.20 level, giving back the gains from the previous session and then some, trading down towards the lower end of the recent range, which also corresponds with the low end of the range for the last 2 weeks as natural gas is coming off of that high that we did see a little over a week ago at the 3.64 level, intraday high. So natural gas has come down quite substantially here after reaching some of the highest levels for the year. And looking at the driving factors today, inventories appears to be one of the primary drivers as we head into this cycle of extraction, and we're through the injection period and now into the extraction period. That inventories are running at 8-year highs as we enter the winter months. So that's one of the factors, I think, contributing to some of the recent selling pressure. Now, to counter that, it does appear that inventories in other parts of the globe, particularly Europe, are running at lower levels when you look at a historical perspective. Plus, exportation of natural gas continues to increase as we're exporting more and more, and particularly again to the European zone as demand continues to increase there. So that's countering some of the price action, but at least today it does appear that the higher inventories are having an impact here with the price action. Now, looking at the general trends, natural gas is coming off of those recent highs and trading down to or near a 2-week low. When you look at over the past year, natural gas really at the top end of the range here. And when you look at the price action around this 320 to 330 level, we are at an elevated level when you look at the prices going into this cycle as far as the winter months as well. So it'll be interesting to see how it unfolds as we move into January, February, depending on, again, exportation and demand here in the U.S. So natural gas is still at an elevated level heading into this cycle. And looking at crude today, we're seeing crude coming off the intraday highs around 69, trading right around 68 now, or just slightly above that, which is unchanged on the session. Now, we did see a low in the middle of the session, around 67.70, coming off those lows, but still pretty much unchanged on the day. So when you look at the crude space, we're looking at prices basically where they closed the previous session. Natural gas coming off of those levels and now trading down about 5% on the day.